All right, a lot of people think that after you close on a house, that's like it. That's like the last time you're going to talk to your loan officer. And that's the end of the relationship. Actually, you can make a case that is the complete opposite. That is just the beginning of your relationship, okay? There's a ton of things that you're going to need your loan officer for in the future after closing, and we're going to walk you through those things today, just to let you know how important having a relationship with your loan officer is, okay? All right, it's just like having a doctor or financial advisor, anything else that, requires lots of long-term care and feedback and help. Okay, so again, you can have these loans for up to 30 years. So here's the things you can do there. Number one, we're not going to sell these off to you, my current company here. Movement mortgage, most all products, not going to do that. So I'm going to stick with you. Number two, there's a lot of junk mail you can get after closing. After closing, you might get some crap in the mail saying, hey, you need to get your home insured. You'll get all kinds of nonsense at you saying, oh, you need this, you need that for your house or for your mortgage. Take a picture of it, show me, I'll tell you if it's legitimate or not, okay? You just text me. I come back to you. It's that quick. First payment, setting that up. Sometimes it can be a little difficult for you. I can help you out with that. Doing the biweekly, monthly payment. I can show you the differences. Escrow questions, additions, removals of an escrow account. Some people get tired of having one over the years. Some people have to have one up front and then want to get rid of it afterwards. Some people want to add one on after not having it anymore. Some people get these bills in the mail from tax and they're from the county that they have to get regardless of whether they're escrowing their account or not. You guys come and ask me, hey, Ben, are you guys paying this payment for me or do I need to pay the county? Escrow is also going to increase over time. There could be shortages. You guys might have questions as to, why did my escrow portion of my payment rise? I'm here for all that stuff. A lot of people want help researching how paying extra per month will affect their payment and what that's going to do to their term. If you don't want to do that on your own, I totally get it. Send it to me. I'll look into it. I'll tell you exactly how much extra you'd be paying a month to cut down your term by a certain date, or how much paying a certain amount of month extra a month will then create for a term for you. Refinancing, humongous. Okay, there's 3 reasons for a refinance. 1 is to just simply lower your rate. 2 is for a divorce. A lot of divorces happen. 3, cash out refinance could be mainly for improvements made to your home. It could be for a debt reconsolidation. You might want to close out your loan and open a new one up that's big enough to cover your old loan balance and other pieces of debt you have. Or it could be other things. I mean, who knows? You might want to pay for a wedding of your daughters in the future. I don't know. HELOCs, home equity lines of credit. We do have those here for you. If you want to tap into the existing equity that's not taken over by the current balance, you call me. It can help you open one of those out if you're qualified for it. Recasting. If you have a loan that's recastable, you want to know what the terms and conditions on those are, how that's going to affect your payment. Again, recast is where you dump a significant amount of money into your balance to then re-amortize or lower the payment at once, which can come with fees. But there's that. There's mortgage insurance removal. You're going to be wondering, how do I get rid of this stuff? Ben, I need your help on it. Tell me, help. How do I do it? Buying a new home. You guys are not going to stay in the same home for so long. You might not, but most people, they're going to move out of a house in, 9 to 15 years. The data on that is something around there. You'll need me for that. Getting an agent referral. If you don't know someone, or if your agent stopped working, you need to figure out somebody to use as a sales agent. I have tons of those people for you, guys. This is all I do is I work with these people all day long. So I know some really good ones for you. Selling your home, might need my help for that. With the current mortgage structured as is. 1098s, people come to me during tax season. Ben, how do I get my mortgage tax info so I can increase my tax savings? You guys might want a CPA or a tax helping resource in that point too. You guys might not want to use H&R Block or TurboTax. You guys might want someone that's going to do a little bit more tax planning and preparation every year, especially if you have more complicated tax scenarios, especially if you guys are self-employed. You guys might ask me how to get help with I don't know, setting up a landlord situation. I have people that I can put you in touch with for property management that I know through contacts in the business, not at Movement Mortgage, just people I know out there. Loan assumptions, ask me if that's okay for you to do for someone else when you're selling your home to them in the future. Friends and family, you want somebody to be able to refer out, help your loved ones. That's what I want to do for you too, okay? Love to spend most of my time on you guys that I help already and your friends and family. Prizes in the future, do a little free entry bracket challenge right now. Just a little sweepstakes thing I do for fun for my former past buyers. Give out a little gift card for fun. But there could be more I'm missing, okay? But end of the story, there's just a ton of communication, interaction, support. You guys are going to want my text, email, phone. I'll always be around for you to help. And I hope you now can see a little bit more of the value in having a long-term partnership relationship with your loan officer and the different ways that I'll be helping you out, not just before and during the closing process, but long afterwards as well. Thank you.